Hello. Is it just me, or are we all inundated with constant distractions? It has become very difficult to stay focused and get some really good work done. There is an abundance of information out there, and it has become a pretty sad status symbol to be busy 24/7. Everyone wants everything right away, and I catch myself that I expect answers to my emails in an instant. We live in a crazy fast-paced world, and I refuse to live life this way. Just recently I saw a reminder that made me really think, and here it is. The blurred image around your phone is called life. Let's not forget to live it. Did you know that we actually touch our phones up to 2,617 times per day and unlock our phones 150 times on average? The source for this research is Sepia.com. Has our phone become the new smoke break? This is addictive and most certainly not healthy for our mental and physical well-being. Here are 3 quick tips to eliminate phone distractions. Number 1. Turn off phone notifications, and even better, don't leave your phone within reach when you work. Number 2. Download the free app Self-Control to eliminate distracting websites for a set period of time. Number 3. Turn off your phone when you are in a meeting or with friends or family. If you think there's no way you can do that, think again. I encourage you to allow for scheduled phone breaks, and you will see where this will take you. As for me, I want to get started by putting my phone on airplane mode every Saturday and every evening after 6 p.m. It's our life. Let's decide more consciously what we will give our attention to. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.